how to control Microsoft Copilot permissions in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to control Microsoft Copilot permissions in Windows 11 so you can decide what Copilot can access and how it interacts with your system. For that, you'll need to head over to your Windows 11 settings and then go to Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. Now, scroll down and then you will see App Permissions. Here you can manage access to features like microphone, camera, location, and notifications. Now, if you want to give permission or disable permission to microphone on Copilot, then just tap on microphone and then you find list of apps. You can see Copilot right here. Now, if you want to give access to microphone, just toggle it on. And now if you want to disable the access to microphone, then just tap on it to toggle it off. So the same applies to camera, location, notifications, and so on. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more Microsoft Copilot tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching.